In this video, we will be doing algebra from geometry. As always, the algebra comes from the geometry of the problem. So here we go, solve for x and y. You can see we have straight angle, and vertical angles. We also have two unknowns, so we will need two equations. So one that seems easiest will be these two angles here, 3x minus 2y equals 40, and then we will use these two here. So this is a straight angle. So 2x minus 3y minus 20 plus 40 equals 180. Then 3x minus 2y equals 40, and then 2x minus 3y equals, now moving these over, 40 minus 20 is 20, 180 minus 20 is 160. Now we're going to multiply the first equation by 3. So we'll have 9x minus 6y equals 120. And we will multiply the second equation by -2. So we will have -4x plus 6y equals -320. Now we do our elimination. 9x minus 4x is 5x. 6y minus 6y is 0. -320 plus 120 is -200. So then x equals -40. Now let's plug back into this first equation there. 3 times -40 is -120 minus 2y equals 40. So -2y equals positive 160, and then y equals -80. We've got these two here, which we're going to put up here, and we're going to plug them back in. X equals -40, y equals -80. You might be thinking these can't work because they're both negative, but let's put them back in and see what happens. So -40, -80, so that will be -120 minus -160, and that gives us 40 degrees, which, since these two angles are vertical, works. Now this angle should be supplementary to 40, which is 140. So now let's put these in. 2 times -40, we have -80 minus a -80 times 3, that's 240 minus 20. So then -80 plus 240 is positive 160 minus 20 is 140 degrees, and that works, and we have our check. So again, remember, you can have negative variable values. When you plug them back in here, if they work, they work.